Hi, I'm Chris from EvaluAgent. In this video, we'll take a look at how we create text analytic line items. So from the dashboard, we're going to come to our analytics menu and into manage topics. This is a repository for all of our insight topics and line items that we create in EvaluAgent. So we're going to select text analytics for our technology, and it's a line item that we're looking to create. We simply fill out the form here. The first thing is our line item name. This is the thing that we're measuring on our scorecard. So let's say, did the agent complete ID and V? We can give it a description and we can assign a theme to it. So let's add compliance. And the next step is adding in the query terms, those keywords and phrases that we want the platform to be looking for. Now we can add them manually, or we can also upload them from a CSV. If you're going to be using a CSV, all we need to do is add in our query terms in one line separated by a comma. So once we have that file ready, we can just browse and we can upload that CSV, and that will add all of the query terms in as we saw them. We can also edit these just by clicking on the query pile. Now, as I said, we can add them in manually. So let's say we're looking for a customer name, customer address, and the reference number. So just in the exact same way as you would add into the CSV, we can add it in manually, and we can either input the entire line as one query, or we can separate each query by the comma, like we have. So we select that. We have all of our details. Let's just clear that one out here. Now from here, we can change some of the configuration in the query terms. Simply by clicking through the speaker option, we can choose who it is we're actually looking to tag in the conversation. So in this case, it's the agent. We're looking to say these things when asking ID and V questions. If we were looking for variations of words, we can click on the word here, and we've got some edit options. We can click the option in here. Right now, we're looking for that specific term, but we've got options where we can look for wildcards, fuzzy terms, synonyms, phonetic, etc. So you've got some flexibility when you're looking for those keywords. So from here, the next thing that we can do is set the pass conditions. This is where we're telling the platform that the topic or line item would be considered a pass so long as X number of the three query terms we've got here are found. Now, in this case, we're looking for all three of these terms to be found. So we'll change that to 3, and we can save that from there. And that will drop our line item as a draft ready for testing.